Back in a for me days. Back in a for me days. It come like uno you no idea just not like outside no more. Like you just don't want to experience real life. Like you just want to dip on the Xbox and PlayStation all day. Where was you when I was in the trenches? Where was you when I was waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning to tie up cows, to tie up goat? Where was you when me and my dog in there in the trenches a struggle? A fight for who I go win marble? Where was you when we had climb mango tree? Where was you when we was building kites out of bamboo? Oh no, you no ideas that's not there outside. Go outside, man. Oh no, like oxygen. Uno just need a first class ticket to just go back to where you come from and restart and regenerate your lifestyle. Regenerate your lifestyle and remember where you come from. Back in our family days. You know, you nowadays just need to come off of electronic them and just experience real life. You know? Real life. You know? Yeah, man. Jono.